Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I would like to show my first paracord tutorial, and it will be about a simple bracelet model. It's called snake knot, the knot I will be using today. Firstly, you will need some paracord like 230 centimeters, and scissors is also needed, and a lighter. And here's my Woodland Camo paracord, and the other tool we just need for this model. So let's begin. After you have cut your paracord, first we will start by cutting the ropes inside it. So just find these places. Cutting this before the beginning will help you do your job. As you can see, just lit them and squeeze them. You can also cut the sides of these paracords on both sides so that you will make it easily. As you can see, it's now narrow. Now I will start making my knots. Firstly, you need to find the middle of the cord and put your finger on it and leave like a 3 centimeter, maybe 2. This is up to your decision. Put your finger here and make your first snake knot. Here you go. This is your first snake knot. You need to adjust this place, this loop here, because because this is a model we make without a shackle. So this loop here is important. So this like 2 centimeters I suppose would be enough. If you want, you can add some additional pieces of metal just to make your bracelet look cooler. And you need to put them inside this. As you can see, I have already placed it here and drag it to your first loop. So you will have the loop and then your metal, and now we will make the second loop. Please watch my fingers, just like that. Nice and easy. Once you learn how to make the snake knot, it's like the easiest thing to do. So I have already made 2. I'm making a few more knots for you here. And this is your third knot. After each knot, you need to just adjust your ropes on both sides so that the knots will be fixed well. One more. So I will keep making more and more knots, snake knots. See, it's such a simple model. I even don't need a paracord jig for that. Normally, for the more complex ones, you need to have your own paracord jig, but this is much better without a jig. See? Our bracelet is forming with each knot I make. Please don't forget to adjust your ropes from each side after you make the knots. This paracord I'm using today is a Woodland Camo, and it definitely looks cool on your arm when you complete the bracelet. It's simple but cool. We are almost halfway on our bracelet. So this is such a simple model, like you can make it in 15 minutes. You just need that time to complete your bracelets. And there's another knot, and when you are finishing the bracelet you will have to use it so that it will be completed, and it's called diamond knot. I will show it when we reach to that scene. Now fast forwarding to the end from here. So we are almost done with our bracelet. You need to just check if it fits your wrist well. This is perfect for mine. Now the final knot we need to make before completing, it's called the diamond knot. Now you just need to put your middle finger in between these two ropes here, and please watch carefully. Roll one of the ropes over the other one and take the other cord, and pass it from over the first one and under the second one and over the third one. So you need to have a shape like this. And now take the same rope again and pass it from under these two and take it from the middle, from the center. And the other cord, just take it and pass it under these three cords and to the center. Now you have the diamond knots, but taking and pulling from both sides like this will give it a shape. And now we will make the shape with some adjustments, like some fine touches, and we will make it, we will give it to its final shape. As you can see, just you need to do some adjustments. And now, as you can see, the diamond is in the middle, but we need to have the diamond here. So we will simply carry the diamond knot. You just need to find this cord which will be here, and take it here to the end and adjust all the cords, and by carrying it to the end. Yes, so we have one piece. Now we will adjust the other one. Just take it, the other cord now I am carrying. Just move the cord till the end. So it is here. If everything goes well, you need to have a little piece of gap here. That's cool, we will need this. Just cut the excess cords. So when you have 230 centimeters, the excess cord is like 15 centimeters on each rope. That's cool. That's the perfect size for the bracelet making, for this model at least. And now the final touch, I will be burning these remains without damaging the paracord itself. And just touch here with your scissors. It's done. Now we can close our loop. Just put it inside. So this is cool. Normally you can make this place like even shorter, and your bracelet would be more secure this way. So this is the final situation of your bracelet. Woodland Camo on paracord with the snake knot and diamond knot and just one medal. Thanks for watching and have a good day.